Hello everyone, if you would like to create whiteboard animation for free, so watch this video until the end. You will learn how to create whiteboard animation using Canva tool. Okay, it is for free and you can create it just in a few minutes. So watch just the video until the end of this so you will learn how to create it. So let's get started. So first of all, open the Canva website for creating this whiteboard animation, then press create your design and here search YouTube video. So after, let's press the YouTube video. Let's open a new tab, the Canva, a new design. Okay, so now here let's start our animation that we would like to create. Okay, so for that, first of all, I will write some text. Whiteboard animation. Okay, let's we can change the text and whatever you want, so you can apply that. So let's move it to the top. So that has applied. Let's bring it here. Let's come here to the elements, and here I will search whiteboard and come here to the graphics, and we will just take this whiteboard. Okay, for example this one. Okay, let's bring it here. So let's take a new page. Okay, so to take the new page, let's press here. Okay, we will take a new page, and in this new page I will just write again the text. We will learn. Okay, let's make it bigger and bring it here. Just come here, and here I will press, for example, this one. And again, let's take a new page, and in this page I will just write again some text. Whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation. Okay, place it here, animation, and let's make it here, for example something. Okay, let's take it also, make it like this, and let's take a new page. So for that, press again it, and here I will add again some text in Canva. Like this, we can change the text and font, whatever you want, and here I will search Canva and come here to the graphics, and let's take this one. For example this one. Okay, the Canva logo. Now let's download it. Okay, for example just these 3 pages. Okay, now we will download it. Okay, let's press the share button and press the download button. So after pressing the download, let's wait until it is loading. So now let's here we will select the PNG. Okay, after pressing the PNG, we will download all pages. Okay, and let's press the download button. So it will be downloaded automatically. Let's wait. Yeah, the download has started, so it is downloading. Yeah, let's move to that folder. Yeah, whiteboard animation. Okay, I will delete the previous 2 animation which I have created already. Now let's open it. Okay, I will extract them. Okay, extract all. So after extracting them, extract. So we have these 4 images, okay, that we have created. Now just come here again to the Canva, and in the Canva let's open a new page. Okay, press this one. Sorry, let's move to the home page, and we will create a new video. Okay, YouTube video. Okay, open the new tab, and here now we will just, let's come here to the apps. In the apps we will search for speed paint. Okay, search this app and press this one. Okay, speed paint. Open it. After opening, press open button. Let's wait for the speed paint. yeah, upload a file. Okay, let's press this button. So come here to the whiteboard animation. We will select all these 4 images. Okay, let's select them. So we can select just one. Let's upload the first one. Okay, just after uploading that, the smoothness, okay, you can make it a 120, 60, 30. We will make it as the 60, and here the duration, okay, you can change the duration, okay, for example 10 second. And color fill duration, you can add that also, whatever you want. So okay, add sketching hand effects, add fade outs. Okay, let's animate the image. Okay, yeah, that has uploaded successfully. I have increased the time, but it would be better if this duration was 5 seconds. Okay, now let's make it sit video as background. So after setting that as background, let's play it. Okay, how it looks like. Let's look to that. This is our animation. Okay, whiteboard animation. So the size, the duration was 10 seconds, but it would be better if that was 5 seconds. So let's take a new page. Okay, add page, and here let's please choose file. We will select the second one, open that. So after opening the image, just change the setting. Okay, so duration is 5 seconds. Okay, that is okay. Add animate image. So it is animating the second one. That is uploaded. Right click and set as video background. So now let's play the second one. So this was the second one. We will do it for all other pages also. So one thing is that I should mention, if you would like to make it like this, okay, to add the hand effects. Okay, see the hand effects. So for that we will just check mark this. Okay, add sketching hand effects. So after creating all your images, okay, then we will download it as MP4. Let's press share button and let's press the download all pages MP4 and download it. So it was all about, okay, our video has downloaded. Let's check it. Okay, let's first of all play it. See, this is our whiteboard animation that we have created. So it was all about, okay, how to create whiteboard animation using Canva for free. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.